Yeah, look, first thing first, this level here, up here.
Yeah. Yes.
See? Sorry. It's our supply zone, right? This one you just draw here.
Yeah.
It's our demand zone, right? So
Yes.
price has been running from this date up until this level here, going down. So if you zoom
Yes.
it back, if you zoom it back like this, and then you draw your support line like this,
Yeah.
right? Let's just put it roughly there.
Yeah.
And then ask yourself how long, right?
Yeah.
Just a question that you ask yourself, how long did the price take to get to that level, right?
How long the price take to get to that
That
level? It's
level, yeah. For an example, let's take this one.
3 years.
Let's move this one to this level
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
How long? It's been, sorry.
It's more than 2.5 years, nearly 3 years, 2 years, 7 months.
Yeah. See, it means that is your strong demand zone, right?
Yeah.
It's not gonna be easy for the price to break that level, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It means when it gets to that level.
So do you mean like if it is take longer time, then it's a strongest demand zone?
So you just, if you don't have any confluences here,
Yes.
if you don't have any confluences here, whether to buy or to sell, if you don't have any buy signal, don't buy. Wait for it to go up and change your structure, right?
Yeah.
Let's look back. Let's go back. There we go. This one was a nice one though. It's been 2016 up until 2016. Price never went to that level. It means it's not going to be easy for price to break that level, right? So
Yeah.
when it gets to that level, we look for buy signals only. We not press buys. We look for buy signals, right?
Yeah.
So listen carefully. Look there at the top. Let's look at this level here, right?
Yeah.
Look how long did price took from here. I don't want to confuse you when I do my analysis. It's very easy for me. There, what's that?
It's 1 year.
Yep. What's that? I see two things there. I see what? I see double top, right? Or triple top or whatever. And then I also see inverse head and shoulders, which is this one. This here is the shoulder, right? This here is the shoulder, right? This here is the head, right? So
yeah,
what's the rule of a head and shoulder saying? The rule of a head and shoulder says the first leg of a head and shoulder should be equal to the second leg. What is your first leg? Let me show you your first leg. This is your first leg, right?
Yeah.
Where is your second leg? We're expecting a second leg where? Here, right?
Yeah.
Cool stuff. So the second leg completed. When the second leg completed, it forms what? A double top, a triple top, somewhere there. And then look at the date, how long it takes. It takes 2017 to, it takes from 22 to first, right? So
yeah,
after
it's nearly
after that inverse head and shoulder, after that head and shoulder completed, you look for what? Let me check if you can see any cell signals there. Do we have any cell signals there?
but
Wait, let me scroll back. For me, no, right? For others,
no.
it can be yes. We say differently. So this is our inverse head and shoulder. It's completed the leg, right?
Yeah.
Yep. If we draw a line here, a trend line here, see, we are looking at what? At this levels here. Look how long has been price beating up that support line, trend line that we just draw, which is support, right?
Yeah.
Look, let's just draw it nicely like that. Let's put it there. Let's do this. Okay. bounced there several times. Can you see that? And then it eventually completed the head and shoulder. Once it completed that inverse head and shoulder, we're expecting price to pull back, right? You can expect price to do what? To pull back to this line here, right? You got your support there, right? You might be expecting price to come and bounce here and continue going up, right? But the head and shoulder has completed, the inverse head and shoulder has completed. So if it breaks this going down, we don't care, man. We just wait for it to go and test this one. We sell it going down. It means it changed our structure. Very easy. See, right? Very, very easy. So I just want to cut this video as short as possible. But yeah, we're gonna do everything. But I just want to cut it as short as possible. Okay? So we could have find what? A sell, a buy here going up, right? To finish to this level, and then we could have find a sell here going all the way down. All the way down to where? All the way down to where? To the head, which is this level here.
Can you let me know why this is a buy signal there on 26 June 2017? You said it's a buy signal there. Why is it there?
Nice question, my man. Like I said, look how long did the price take to get to that level. From here, from here, wait, let me do this. From here, to this level here. How long it took? See, I don't even want to count for price to reach that level, right? When price that level, we'll expect it to break what? This level here. And then when you break this level, it also break the trend line there. So this price failed to reach that level, to go and test that level, because it was a strong trend. It went back to this level. So it also break this one going up, which is this one, right? And then come back to test that one. So it gives us what? Inverse head and shoulder. This is the shoulder here, the head and the shoulder. So we buy this shoulder. Again, the rule of head and shoulder, first leg, which is this one, should be equal to the second leg. So it gives you it gives you a signal that, okay, I'm going back to that demand zone, to that supply zone, sorry. It's going back to that supply zone, right? So once the head and shoulder completed, what do you do? Let's just zoom in. Let's go back, right?
Yeah.
The head and shoulder completed, we draw the trend line there. We're expecting price to do what? We're expecting price to come to this level here, right?
Yes.
So in this case, price break this level going all the way down to this level. After every breakout, we're expecting price to go back and test before it continue going down. Look what we have here. Look what we have here. Look at this. Look at this level here. It was also taken down. It was also taken out. Like taken out, I mean breakout. It also broken. Sorry, I'm not good at English, but yeah, I'm sure you understand.
No worries. I'm not good at English as well. I'm not from an English-speaking country. I came from a different country.
Thank you, man. It took it out, ne? It's coming back to test that level.
Again, it formed a head and shoulder, right? The previous section, it was inverted head and shoulder. Here, it formed a head and shoulder, right?
Yeah. You should play around with it. Don't just play around with it. Like exactly what I'm doing always. Play around with it, my man. Play around with it. So, before we cut it short, I just want to cut this video as short as possible. I want you to show a change of structure here. We've done that. I want you to show a change of structure here. Let's start here. Let me just do this. First of all, first thing that I do, right? The price now is where? It's at the strong support. It's at the support. But I want to check whether that support, which support is this one? How long did price took to get to that support? See? How long? It's been from 2016 up until 2018. So it means it's not going to be easy for price to break that level. So here I'll start looking for what? For breakout of the trend line. Remember, if you have a 3 touches, you confirm your trend line. 1, 2, 3. Confirm your trend line. You just draw it nicely like that. Different traders draw them differently. You just draw it like that. As long as it suits you, you just draw it like that. Okay, cool. It's fine. Let's just put it there. So I was waiting for what? For the heading for the breakout of a trend line going up, because it's not going to be easy for price to break back. Let's say if this happened, if it got rejected there, it was going to go to this level here. See, this is a dirty video, but it was going to go to this level here. How long did the price took to go to that level? It's far long. It's not going to be easy for it to break. So we'll keep looking for what? If we don't have buy signals here to buy it going up, we're not buying. We just patiently wait for change of structure, right? It's only downtrend. It's only downtrend. It's only downtrend. To only look for change of structure. But in this case, it did break this trend line here.
Yeah.
It did break that trend line. Going. Oh, sorry about the man. Let me just use this spot here. Okay. Yeah, in this case, it did break there.
Yeah.
Line. See, it did break there. Come back.
So how did you get? Sorry, how did you get this arrow mark line?
No, it's on Zoom. You won't find it. You won't find it on MetaTrader. It's on Zoom. You won't find it on MT.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You know what I did after I saw this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me just show you how I did. What I did. I saw a change of structure, right?
Yeah.
This is my level. Let me just throw it there. This is my level. I saw a change of structure here going up.
Yeah.
Okay. It's actually wasting my time. Yeah, it went up and then it came down. When you get to this level, the only thing I'm looking for is for it to pull back to that level so that I can buy it going up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So one thing that I did there, I added this trend line here. See, I added the trend line there. I said this is my number 1, my number 2 level. I'm expecting number 3 to that level. So it was going to be a nice entry if it get to this level, but we managed to get it from this tail here going up. If you don't, you see that one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you should play around with it, my man. This is how we should do it. And then it's very easy for me, my man. It's very easy. It's very easy. I don't know. Do you have any questions?
How did you do this supply zone box, the rectangle box, and the demand zone box? Is there any conditions you have or any rules you have where you start, where you end?
The longer it took to get to that level, a lot of buyers will want to buy when it gets to that level.
I don't know. So I got that point, like the size of the box. Sometimes you're drawing the small width, and sometimes you're drawing the bigger width.
Oh, okay, cool. Let me just try to show that quickly.
I didn't get that, like whether you're starting with particular candle, starting, ending.
We'll do that later, of course, but let me just show you quickly.
Okay, then that's fine, because I've seen that in many of the charts as well, but I haven't.
Yeah, I'll show that. Most of the time, you know what I did? I take the last bearish candle.
Yeah.
I highlight the last bearish candle before the bullish, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, before this bullish movement. If price was moving down like this,
okay,
down, I'll take the last bearish before bullish. Down, I'll take the last bearish before bullish. Down, I'll take the last bearish before bullish. Down, so on and so forth, vice versa with the bears. Right?
Okay.
Yeah. So that's more like it. That's more like it. So let's talk about your exit quickly. right? How did I exit there? Quick.
So you buy there, then where do you put your stop loss?
Come again?
If you buy at that particular point on the retrace, where do you put your stop loss on that? Is that will come in the later lessons or?
Okay, let me quickly show you what we did with this pair, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's say we bought here, right? Let me just do that quickly. Let me just put this one green. We bought there, right?
Yeah.
This one was our. Sorry about that. Somewhere here it was our stop loss there. Sorry. It was our stop loss there. We don't care how far is the stop loss as long as it's hidden, right?
Yeah.
We rather use 0.02, 0.05, 0.03, as long as it's hidden, right? We hide our stop loss below the previous low. We hide our stop loss above the previous high. When we are selling, we hide it above our previous high. So we bought there, right? We went to 4-hour time frame.
Okay.
We were waiting for price to do what? To break this. Let me just use, sorry. Okay, let's leave that alone. Let's use this one. We waited for price to break this high here.
Yeah.
Going up, right? We are looking, once it breaks that high, we are looking for another pullback. So we went to lower time frames, like 4-hour, right? Can you see, once it breaks that high, here, it breaks that high going up, we move our stop loss to break even. We protected swap, we move our stop loss to this level. Only protect swap, right? Right?
Yeah.
Cool stuff. And then what happened next? Price went all the way up, up until, from our entry there, it went all the way up to 217 pips. We are still only looking the swap, right? We are expecting price to do what? To come back to test this level, right?
Yeah.
Before it continue going up. Look, price didn't come back to that level. Let's get rid of that. Price didn't come back to that level. We're still fine. So, but we were waiting for it again to break this high. Didn't price break that high? It did. It breaks the high, right?
Yes.
Once it breaks that high, we go to stop loss. We move it, and then we hide it below that low. So it means now we are looking how much? From here, we are looking close to 150 pips now. We are looking close to 150 pips now. And then price now is running somewhere here, right? Close to 100 pips, right? It created a new high, which is this one here.
Yeah.
And then it came down. We're expecting price again to pull back to that level. Look at our stop loss here. Pull back to that level before it continue going up. And then it didn't. But it gives us what? A low and break that high here. Once we break that high here, we move our stop loss. We moved our stop loss to this level here, right? Because our target was we were taken out here, right? We were taken out here with how many pips?
So we are not predefining the take profit here. We are not targeting any particular level to get that.
We were targeting this level. We're not controlling the market, my man, but no one is controlling the market. But my target for this one was this level. Which one was this level here? Sorry about that.
I mean, like all the time your trade will be, you'll be having an entry point and you'll be having a stop loss, but no target point. Yeah.
Come again?
So every time when you trade, you will be having an entry price and you will be having a stop loss, but you will never have your take profit level set for the trade.
We do have a take profit, but as long as price didn't reach our take profit, we are not going out. We keep moving the stop losses.
Okay.
Yeah, we keep hiding the stop losses, protecting our pips, until it reach our target. Right?
Okay, now when we receive the signals, most of the times in the signal it says open take profit.
Okay, when you say open take profit, we know that it's going very, very far. It might go very, very far. Like what we did on what UK oil. Let me just try to catch UK oil quickly. Okay. Let's run to gold quickly. Look at gold. You know what happened on gold? Sorry about the UK oil one. You know what happened on gold? It breaks this one going up, right? We waited for it to come down. See, we bought it there.
Yeah.
We bought it there going up to our target is this one, right? So
yeah,
it keeps going and going, and then now for me, we bought here. We wait for it to break this high before we can move our stop loss to what? To break even. A lot of patience is needed there, my man. A lot of patience is needed there. See,
yeah, okay.
We can either go to lower time frames, yes, we can go to lower time frames, but first of all, the higher time frames should convince you that this pair is going up, but we'll go to lower time frames to get a lot of entries, and how to protect the stop loss, right?
Yeah.
If you can stick on 1 hour, on daily only, yes, you can be on profit, but you'll miss such entries here for buy, going up, such entries here for buy if we have one, for buy, so and so. Again, you're gonna be missing this level to hide your stop loss if you don't go to lower time frames. So we go to lower time frames to see where we can hide the stop loss. So for us, we're gonna hide it here this coming Sunday.
Okay. I'm getting, yeah.
We hide it there. Why do we hide it there? Is because it breaks this, it took out this highs here. Right? So
yeah,
on 4 hour, if it did this, it pulls back here and then goes back up until it, and then took this one out, will move stop loss again below this low. So I told a lot of people a long time ago that this pair is going up, right? This pair is going up because I was looking at this structure here. Let me quickly go to my. Just want to show you something quickly.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So you make all your trades based on only this concept, or you will use different strategies, or?
I trade the trend strategy, but I have to have a lot of confluences before I can take a trade.
Okay. So you trade only this strategy?
Come again?
You trade only this strategy. You will not use multiple strategies or different strategies to trade.
No. This is the strategy that I use. So
okay.
Yeah, this is the strategy that I use. But I can add the flags, the patterns, the W, whatever that I see, I can use it. The candlesticks pattern, I use everything. But my strategy is the change of structure and the 1, 2, 3. When I'm talking about 1, 2, 3, yeah, it's change of structure and 1, 2, 3. When I'm talking about 1, 2, 3, I'm talking about change of structure is this one. Where's my 1, 2, 3? This is my 1. This is my 2. The best entry, you'll find it on number 3. Because of what? It changes the structure. It's coming.
Okay, because I've seen some A, B, C markings in some chart and some Fibonacci in some chart.
We do have Fibonacci. We pull Fibonacci from this low to this high, but only if we have change of structure. To get it, or let's say 61.8 is somewhere there. I'll teach you Fibonacci tomorrow. Once it gets into
no, I'm just asking whether because if you blindly say that you use Fibonacci, and I won't understand because I need you to teach me. That's what I'm asking. So what you're using actually?
I'm not sure that I catch you.
No, because I'm asking because I've seen it on different screens which you shared on the group. If you're saying now that you're using from here to here, maybe
No,
I will not understand unless.
Fibonacci, first of all, it's not an indicator, it's a tool. And then we use it,
Oh, okay.
to catch what the levels where we can place our entries, depending.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one is the one that we were doing. Fine. Let's just close it. Let's see if we can find the one for gold. There. So our entries was basically somewhere here, right? Somewhere here for a buy. So if you pulled your FIBO from here to this level, wherever it turned that time, it turned somewhere there. It's gonna go to 1.8 and then boom, right? Or go all the way, right? So that's more like it. Let's see if we can see if we got the after. See, this is your time to buy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It went straight to your trap, right? It went straight to your trap, and then boom. See, it's going straight to your TP. Go to lower time frames to catch more entries, more entries, more entries. Keep going with it because higher time frames. You saw what? You saw higher time frame. You saw this, right? You saw that it's going to come back to this level. So when it get to that level, go to lower time frames to do what? To keep going, keep going. Even if you are, I don't like selling selling it going down. I like to wait patiently for it to reach that level where I can buy, because I believe it's a counter trend. It's going against the trend, so I don't use that. Yeah. I think we're running out of time. My man, thank you very much for today, right? And then I'm not sure if tomorrow I'll be available, but I'll try my best. I'll try my best. I'm not sure if I will be available, but I'll try my best again. You don't have any day. You don't have any day during the week. It's fine. I'll talk to you on WhatsApp right now. Let's just close the video. Send me your email. I'll email you. Send me your email. I'll email you this video, please.
No, the email which I think you already have it on the online class group.
Okay, cool. I'll send it to the group. Thank you very much.
I'll send you the email anyway. Actually, I thought of asking, like, will you be giving any training in the morning times or the evening times?
No, the evening is too much difficult for me. Let's talk on the phone. Let's talk on the phone. The evening classes are difficult for me, but if I have more than 5 people, I can to manage. So that we can discuss. I like it more when we discuss, like what we did with you. I like it more when we discuss the training and stuff.
Yeah, so also one quick suggestion: when you do the online class, if you can ask the people or students to mute themselves, we will not get all the noise. When I check the video, it has a lot of background noises.
Come again?
So when you do the online class with multiple people,
yeah, it's I just wanna like today. I just wanna go one-on-one with them, all of them, because some of them are shy to answer the questions and do what and ask the questions. So I just wanna take time today to just go one-on-one with them, with all of them today. Like what we did with you first.
Even with all of them, if you ask them to mute their mic, you will not get the background noise. I think everybody has enabled the mic. That's why we're getting echo feedback on the videos.
Yeah, I will work on that. Thank you very much.
Yeah. So if we mute themselves, then when they can unmute whenever they want to ask any question. But meanwhile, if they mute, nobody will hear the noise. It will be very clean.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
Because when you are talking, your voice will be on my computer, and if I don't mute my mic, that will come back to your mic. Then it will go to other person as well. That's why everybody hearing the noise on the video, on your recorded video every time.
I understand that. I understand that. Thank you very much, my man. I understand that. I'll do that from now on. I'll do that.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can ask them to mute, but when they want to ask questions, they can unmute themselves and they can ask questions, then they can mute immediately.
Yeah, I understand that. Let's do that. I'll just write the rule on the group quickly now. And then
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Sure,
Thanks,
man.
Bruce. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, man. Have a nice day, man.
Yeah, sure. I'll send an email to you. Please send me the video. I'll practice myself.
Thank you very much. Do that.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.